Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have a special feature that's sure to catch the eye of motorcycle enthusiasts and fashion-forward riders alike. Introducing the best Bling motorcycle license plate frame, the OKLPF Motorcycle Bling license plate frame. This stunning accessory adds a touch of glamour to your ride while ensuring they remain street legal. Crafted from premium quality stainless steel, this license plate frame is designed to last. Say goodbye to worries about fading and rust. The OKLPF frame shines brightly with unfading rhinestones that catch the light beautifully. Whether you're cruising down the highway or parked at your favorite hangout, this frame is sure to turn heads. One of the best features of the OKLPF frame is how simple it is to install. With 4 mounting holes and straightforward instructions, you can have it on your bike in minutes, no special tools required. It fits any standard motorcycle license plate in the United States, so you can easily comply with local laws while adding your personal flair. This frame doesn't just serve a practical purpose, it also offers a fantastic opportunity for personalization. Available in a sleek black finish, it's perfect for both men and women who want to enhance their motorcycle's aesthetic appeal. Plus, its universal fit means it works with almost any motorcycle, making it a versatile choice for riders of all types. Not only does it look great, but the OKLPF frame is designed with durability in mind. The metal construction ensures that it can withstand the elements, from rain to shine, while the rhinestones remain securely in place. This means you can enjoy the bling without worrying about losing your sparkle on the road. In conclusion, if you're looking to add a bit of sparkle to your motorcycle while maintaining practicality, the OKLPF Motorcycle Bling license plate frame is the way to go. At an affordable price of just $11.99, it's a small investment for a big upgrade. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews. Ride safe and keep it blingy.